Costs more than what my YouTube channel has made me so far in 2 years. The colors are not with my vibe of fall. What is up, you guys? It's Jessie May. I'm sorry if the camera moves a little bit. You're on a not so stable table. So I know in the last FabFitFun video, that was my last FabFitFun. Well, I forgot to cancel and they hit me with a year of FabFitFun. So today we'll be doing the fall for 2022. I just wanted you guys to get a good look at the box. The box looks cute. It looks pretty fallish. She's got a sweater on. She's got some fall colors, and then in the background it's orange, and I don't know, maybe could be some leaves falling. It's just a design, a cute little sunset. Some of the colors are not too fallish, like the purple and the blue. But other than that, it does look pretty fall. And then if you open it, we have little leaves. I'm excited to get into this box. I don't remember picking anything, and that's because I don't think I did customize anything. So I am an annual member, meaning I do get to customize my whole entire box, but I forgot. So that being said, let's jump right on into this box. If you guys find any value or enjoyment out of this video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. It helps me out tremendously. It's a free way to support the channel. And also, if you like renovation, building, and vlog style type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little notification bell, because we are building our dream tiny house. And again, it is a free way to show your support for the channel. I know they raised their price, so don't ask me how much it is. Don't ask me how much the yearly subscription is. I don't know any of that. I really should. It used to be $179 for a year, and then they raised it, so it could be $200, could be more. I don't know. You get 8 full-size products in here. I don't know. This is why my makeup unboxing channel didn't do too well. Now, in every box, you do get a bunch of little cards and just stuff. You get a magazine. Sometimes they tell you what the prices of the products are. Sometimes they just give you a magazine. My box right here has a value of $461.92. So let's see what we got. I'm really excited about this first item right here, because living in this tiny house, it's hard to have a lot of equipment or kitchen tools and stuff, but here is a super mini vegetable chopper. Well, it's from Apare, I don't know. It's a vegetable chopper. It's just a little mini guy, and it's a really cute mint green color. Is it glass? No, it's plastic. Wow, look how it fits in the palm of my hand. It has a pull, a string. That's what chops the veggies. It's not even battery powered or not even electric. Even better for tiny houses. Next in here we have from Daily Concepts. Oh, I gotta tell you the price on that. The mini vegetable chopper is $19.95. Next in here we have from Daily Concepts. It's, I don't know, it's a mitt. It's a mitt. It's a mitt. And it's ideal for intimate areas. Okay. Oh, the cute little guy. Maybe that's what they're talking about, is for intimate areas, because it's so tiny. But we have a double or a 2-pack mint type of shower mint. Why do I keep saying mint? Mitts? Maybe because that was a mint color. Anyway, that's interesting. Oh, it's a bundle, and it comes with this guy. So these together, this is just one of their little sponges that it's infused with body wash or soap or something. And the retail value of all this together is $44. That's expensive for some shower scrubs. Eucalyptus Rain is the scent of my body scrub. Again, something more springy, summery, not so much fall, so I feel like they definitely missed the head on the nail on that one too. A pumpkin spice smelling, autumn leaves, I don't know, something. Just, it smells good, it just, there's makeup now on it. Just not fall. Next in here we have a towel wrap from, again, Daily Concepts. I absolutely love these. These are great. I needed a new one, so I'm super glad to have this in my life. My elastic on my other one's just kind of fully stretched out and it's not doing too much, but again, Daily Concept, retail value of this is $18. So the retail value of this is $18, and I like the blue mint color that's got going on, but not very fall-like. I would much rather have like an orange or like a burgundy, you know, something, maybe even yellow, but not, this reminds me of like spring going into summer. Honestly, could be a little bit even winter because it's bluish green. It's more blue, it's more like an aqua, not really so much a mint. But yeah, so they missed that opportunity there, so that's a little bit sad. We have a Lumify from Bush & Lambs. It's eye drops. Sometimes you get free samples in there, and I guess this time it was eye drops. Next from Sadui. Don't come for me. Pronunciation is definitely not my strong key. I used to say political as political, so pronunciation, nope. So we have some cute little like sunglasses. They were very staticky putting them on my face. These are cute. I do like these. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. But the retail value for these, and this is the Brooklyn sunglasses, I guess is like the style of them, but the retail value is $80. And you just came in some like bubble wrap and this. Give me a little case so they don't smash or something. Like, plan. Oh geez, what'd they send us now? It was a jump rope? Is it? Plan 3-in-1 resistance band kit with a 3-month application subscription. Or 3-month app subscription. I thought it was a jump rope. I know you're supposed to do things like this, like, but I really thought it was like a jump rope. The one above the wood, okay, that's expensive. But the retail value of these and the 3-month subscription is $67.97. So I don't know how much this per se is compared to the subscription or what's going on there. This somehow went to the fitness thing. So this right here costs more than what my YouTube channel has made me so far in 2 years. The retail value of this super cute, oh man, oh so cute, is $128. It's really cute. I like the fabric. It's not like a cheap fabric, and then the straps right here are nice and like smooth. They're very silky almost. And I don't know the, is it Molly and Lily is the brand, I think? Molly and Lily weekend bag, and this is in the black abstract. It's got a strap on the inside, there goes the box, and then just one little pocket. That's exciting. Next in here, this is from Luxie. This is an enchanted eye set, and it looks like we have 4 different brushes here. See, and again, this reminds me more of like Christmas. It's like a evergreen type of handle, like, I mean, but anyway, we have the 221, it's just a flat definer, the 211, which is a concealer brush, the 237, which is a blending brush, and then the 223, which is a short shader. And the retail value of the 4-pack of Luxie Enchanted Eye Sets is $64. Never understand the price of things, not gonna lie. And then lastly in here, this is from Chic & Tonic. It's a 3-piece silicone baking set. I don't have an oven. It looks like sprinkles. Oh. Can you see? Like, it looks like it's just got like blue sprinkles over. That's cute. And again though, I wish it would have been a little bit more like fall-like. The colors are not vibing with my vibe of fall. I want like some browns, some oranges, some yellows, some reds, not blue, not green, not, you know, white. And they missed that. I really feel like FabFitFun missed that. This is supposed to be a, like, basically welcome fall box. I don't, what is fall for me? So this was kind of, if I was doing, I don't know, is this box worth the fall products that you're going to get? Absolutely not. 100% absolutely not. There wasn't even like a scarf or anything. There wasn't a hat, something to prepare a little bit more for the chilly weather that's coming in. All the colors in this box, like, they just, I don't know. This was a very kind of, a very missed box opportunity for the season that it is specific for. Does that make sense? Anyway, so the retail value, I already said that was like $461.92. That is a great value for the price that I did pay for the box, but that is not a great value if you are looking for the seasonal items that go along with the season. So that being said, disappointing box. Do have some really great stuff. I just wish it would have went a little bit more along with the season, the fall season. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of the video or any of the products down in the comment section below. Do you get FabFitFun yourself? Do you want to get it? If you do want to get it, I have like a coupon code. I think it saves you like $10 or something like that off your first box. It'll be in the pinned comment. So let me know all your thoughts and opinions down in the comment below. Let me know, do you think FabFitFun missed their opportunity on this fall box? Because I really would like to know your guys' thoughts and opinion, because like I said, I think they just completely missed it. So make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you found it any value, entertaining, or entertainment? If you guys found any value or entertainment or wow, Jessie. And if you haven't already, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, especially if you found any value or enjoyment out of it. It's a free way to show your support for the channel. And if you enjoy any vlogs, renovations, building style type of content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. And go ahead and check out the first episode of the Building of the Tiny House series. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I shall catch you in the Building of the Tiny House series. Bye! Make sure you leave me comments, please!